are wondering how you support your child to map the speech sounds in the SATPIN group to spelling words, then stay tuned. That's what we'll look at today. I'm Angela Ema. I'm a literacy consultant and a teacher trainer. So let's hop to it. I've got all 6 of these letters on the board, but you could be doing this even if your child has only learned a smaller number of these letter sound relationships. That's absolutely fine. I'm using magnetic letters, but if you want to do it the way I'm doing it today, you could write the letters on a little square of paper and use that for today's lesson. So pause the video, write down your little letter cards or fish out some magnetic letters. It doesn't matter what you use as long as your child can see the letter. So let's get going. So we start by thinking of a word. So the word we might think of that we are going to map might be pan. So pan is our word. We're using our mapping card. So the first thing we do is we look at one another and we say the word pan, making sure that we are careful to say the word so that all the sounds can easily be heard. Turn to each other now and say the word, looking at each other's mouths. And now say it one more time, watch each other's mouths. Pan. Now we're going to say the word again, but we're going to say it slowly. Listen carefully to how it sounds. Now the p sound stops. So you could repeat it or say that p sound 3 times using a very quiet voice. You watch first. P, 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 an. Okay, so you want to say the sounds nice and softly, especially that first one. Make that sound 3 times and then stretch out the other sounds that are stretchy. I'll do it one more time. P, 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 an. Turn to look at one another, watch each other's mouths, and try that twice. Off you go. Great job. Now we're going to count the sounds. Watch first. P, an. Turn to one another and try that together. Did you get 3 sounds? Fantastic. Now we're going to slide our markers. I'll go first. We're going to make the sounds as we slide the markers. P, an. Off you go. Great job. Now I'm going to ask myself which letters make those sounds. So let me do that again. Which one makes that sound? I think it's this one. P. Oops. P. Might have to do it down here. P. A. P. An. Can you see the one I need? P. An. Off you go. Try that on your board. Fantastic. Take them off your board. I'm going to jumble mine up. Jumble yours up and do it one more time now. And check which one you need all on your own. Ready? Off you go. Say the sound slowly. P, an. P, an. Okay, so slide your letter cards over. Excellent. Let's check them now. So we put our finger underneath. Now yours are probably up here because yours are on the table. Mine are just down here because they're slipping off. So we're going to check it. Put our finger underneath the first letter. P, an. P, an. And now we blend it. We put all the sounds together. Listen. Pan. Ready? Off you go. Now, I'm happy that what I can see matches what I can hear. So I think that's right. I'm going to write it here with no spaces. P-a-n. P-an. Off you go. Make the sounds as you are writing the letters. Make the sound while you write the letter. P-a-n. Now let's check it. Put your finger underneath the first one. P-an. P-an. And then we blend it together. Blend it together. Push all the sounds together. Pan. Check it looks right. Give your partner a thumbs up if it looks right. Excellent. Clean it off. Move your markers up. And you can try another one. We might try pat, pat. So we start by saying the word. So you turn to your partner, look at each other's mouths and check that your mouth is making the right sounds. You can hear what's coming out and you can see your mouth moving just like your partner's mouth. Ready? Turn and do it twice. One more time. Pat. Lovely. Now we're going to try it slowly. You can watch and listen first. So it's that p sound, so it stops. So we're going to make that sound 3 quiet times and stretch out the other sounds. Now there's a sound at the end of pat, t, t, that also stops. So I'm going to make that sound 3 times, but I'll stretch out the one in the middle. You watch. At, t, t. One more time. P, p, p. At, t, t. Turn to your partner and try that twice. Off you go. Watch each other's mouths. Great job. Now let's count the sounds. One more time. P-at. Fantastic. Now we're ready to move our markers. Are you ready? P-at. So every time we move our markers, we make those sounds again. Ready? Slide them back and try it one more time with your partner. Great job. P-at. Now, what can I see that makes this first sound? The first sound is, let's make it together, P. Which one makes the P sound? Which one makes the sound? Can you see which one I need last? Which one makes the T sound? Let me check it. P-at. I'll move mine out of the way and you try that with your partner. Off you go. Okay, so now let's check it. Did you get the same ones? So yours will be up here. Let's check it. Put our finger underneath and we'll make those sounds slowly as we go across the word. We'll do it twice. At. One more time. P-at. So we look at the letters. Now we're going to blend all the sounds together. Pat. One more time. Pat. How did you go? Now, if it all matches, if what you see matches what you can hear, then we're going to write that word at the bottom with no spaces in between. So I've written it down. I'm going to check it. P-at, P-at, pat. Off you go. Great job. So well done everyone, you've done a great job. You might be able to think of some other words that you can make using those letters. Let me think. I think we could make nip, knit, tin, sap. Oh, lots of words that you can make and practice on together. Thanks everyone. Bye.